just yesterday. Listen, O'Shane, I challenge you to go on my Instagram story right now. I did something called the Not Gonna Lie anonymous link, where when you put it out, persons can send you a link and send you a message and you don't know where it's coming from. Just it's so funny that you asked me that question. This, your songs make me believe in God more.
Wow.
So it's so
Wow.
question that I wouldn't know the question you were going to ask me, you know. But it was just so fun that yesterday I posted this. You can look at the time.
Yeah.
And
14 hours
someone,
ago.
yes, 14 hours ago, and someone said that your songs make me want to serve. So when it comes to effectiveness of my music, I don't need to try and convince older people and listen, the thing is persons feel encouraged. Persons want to serve God